How to verify a phone number on Discord. So first things first, before you go ahead and go directly into your Discord client, make sure that you have an active or a working phone number so that you can receive SMS or verification codes. Just simply log in into your Discord account and then just go into user settings. And once you're here, all you have to do is under phone number, just simply hit on add and then simply change the country code or the area code of the phone number that you're using. Then just simply input your current phone number. So this is how it works. All you have to do is send, and then you will receive an OTP or a one-time password verification that you need to input from here so that you can completely add your phone number. So that is how you verify phone number on Discord.